How to vote on Instagram. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually vote on Instagram and use the polls and emoji sticker. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to actually create a poll on Instagram, it's relatively simple. You can only create a poll or stickers on your story and not on the post. So you have to keep that in mind, and also not in the particular chat. In order to create a poll for your story, you just need to go ahead and then open up your story over here. Once you open up your story, let's say that you have already trying to add a story over here. You just need to tap on the sticker icon which you see on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the sticker icon, if you want to actually create a poll, which means the number of votes, so you can just tap on it and you'll be able to ask your question over here, and you can select the options over here as well. So you can select 1 and you can select 2, and then you can also add another option as well. You can add up to 4 to 5 options just like that. Once you create your options, now people will be basically able to vote their answers over here, and this is simply the first way to create a poll. But let's say that this is not about voting, this is just about finding the right answers. Then you can also just go ahead and delete this if you want. And there's also another sticker over here, and that is the quiz one. So basically this one is the option 1, 2 and 3 up to which is the right answer. This is not about voting, but this is about finding out the right answer. So you just need to go ahead and then simply enter your question over here, and then you need to enter the answers in the option. So you also want to select which is the right answer. So you just need to go ahead and then select any of this over here, and then over here as well you need to go ahead and select your options, and then you need to add other options to this list, and you have to select the right answer over here. Once you've done that, just tap on the done button and you'll be able to load your questions in that way. And this is simply how you can actually use polls on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.